Hi guys, welcome back in Chemistry World. In today's session, I am going to discuss about some important questions of potassium dichromate. If you don't watch previous videos, you should watch the video. Let's start today's class. First question is write the name of ore of potassium dichromate. Solution will be chromite FeCr2O4, chromite or chrome iron. Second question, write the oxidation number of chromium in chromate ion. Answer will be +6. The oxidation number of chromium in chromate ion is 6. Third question, what is the color of potassium dichromate? Answer will be potassium dichromate is an orange crystalline solid. Next question, important, what is the chromic acid? Answer will be chromic acid is a mixture of potassium dichromate. Chromic acid is a mixture of potassium dichromate and concentrate H2SO4. Now next, fifth question, how will you prepare potassium dichromate from chromite ore? Answer will be potassium dichromate is prepared by chromite ore in following steps. First step, preparation of sodium chromate. Second step is conversion of sodium chromate into sodium dichromate. Third step is conversion of sodium dichromate into potassium dichromate. In first step, the powdered chromite ore is heated with sodium carbonate in the presence of air in a reverberatory furnace to produce yellow solution of sodium chromate. Chemical reaction is 4 moles of chromite ore is treated with 8 moles of sodium carbonate in the presence of air. Then yellow solution of sodium chromate is formed. So 8 moles of sodium chromate and byproduct is 2 moles of Fe2O3 and 8 moles of CO2 are obtained. So I repeat, the powdered chromic ore is heated with sodium carbonate in the presence of air in a reverberatory furnace to produce yellow solution of sodium chromate. Now, second step, conversion of sodium chromate into sodium dichromate. Sodium chromate is treated with H2SO4 to form orange colored sodium dichromate. Na2Cr2O7 and byproduct is water and sodium sulfate. I repeat, in second step, sodium chromate is treated with H2SO4 to form orange colored sodium dichromate. Now third step, conversion of sodium dichromate into potassium dichromate. The solution containing sodium dichromate is treated with KCl. Then potassium dichromate is obtained. and byproduct is sodium chloride. On cooling, potassium dichromate crystallizes out in the form of orange crystals. It is fairly soluble in water. NaCl being least soluble, thus separate out and removed by filtrations. Very important reaction. So, potassium dichromate formed by chromite ore in these three steps. First is preparation of sodium chromate. Second is conversion of sodium chromate into sodium dichromate. And third is conversion of sodium dichromate into potassium dichromate by the reaction of potassium chloride. Next, sixth question, what is the effect on increasing pH on a solution of potassium dichromate? Answer will be by change in pH of the solution of chromate and dichromate ion may be interconverted. Chromate and dichromate ions are in equilibrium at pH 4. On increasing pH, orange color of dichromate changes into yellow color of chromate ion. Chemical reaction: dichromate ion in aqueous solution. I repeat, on increasing pH, orange color of dichromate changes into yellow color of chromate ion. So, yellow color of chromate ion thus formed. pH increasing means alkaline medium. So, we can say, in other words, in alkaline medium, dichromate ion converts into yellow color of chromate ion. Very important. Welcome again. Next, seventh, write a short note on chromyl chloride test. Very important. Answer will be the chromyl chloride test is used to detect chloride ions in the qualitative analysis. If any chloride salt like NaCl, ammonium chloride, etc. is heated with acidified potassium dichromate, it produces orange-red color fumes of chromyl chloride. Fumes are of chromyl chloride, therefore test is known as chromyl chloride test. For example, NaCl treated with acidified potassium dichromate, then orange-red fumes of chromyl chloride are obtained. It is known as chromyl chloride test. It confirms fumes of chromyl chloride confirms the presence of chloride ions in that salt. So, I repeat main points of chromyl chloride test. The chromyl chloride test is used to detect chloride ions in the qualitative analysis. Point number second, if any chloride salt is heated with potassium dichromate, acidified potassium dichromate, it produces orange-red color fumes of chromyl chloride. Third point, what is the chemical formula of chromyl chloride? Answer will be CrO2Cl2. Fourth point, chromyl chloride test confirms the presence of chloride ions in the salt. Next, earth give the structure of dichromate ion and chromate ion. Answer will be the structure of dichromate ion is shown in the figure. I repeat, the structure of dichromate ion is shown in the figure. It consists of one and two tetrahedral sharing an oxygen atom at corner with chromium oxygen chromium bond angle 126 degree. Similarly, the structure of chromate ion is shown in the figure. It has tetrahedral shape. The hybridization of chromium in both the ions is sp3. Next question 9. Complete the following chemical equation. First, Cr2O7 minus plus Fe2 plus proton. Potassium dichromate acts as strong oxidizing agent in acidic medium. Dichromate ion take up electron in acidic medium, so they get reduced in chromium 3 plus ion and act as oxidizing agent. Chemical reaction is Cr2O7 minus dichromate ion in acidic medium take up electrons and get reduced in chromium 3 plus ions and act as oxidizing agent. Very important. So, dichromate ions oxidizes in acidic medium Fe2 plus ions into Fe3 plus ions. So, answer of the question is chemical reaction Cr2O7 minus plus 14 proton plus 6 ferrous ions So, dichromate ion in acidic medium act as oxidizing agent. So, it oxidizes acidified Fe2 plus ions to Fe3 plus ions. Ferric ion. Second, the chromate ions on addition acid change into dichromate ions. Very important. So, chemical equation is I repeat, the chromate ions on addition acid change into dichromate ion. Very important. Here, important point, while the dichromate ions on addition alkali change into chromate ion. I repeat, the dichromate ion on addition alkali change into chromate ion, while the chromate ions on addition acid change into dichromate ions. Very important conversion. We can say in simple word, by change in pH of the solution, chromate and dichromate ions may be interconverted. Next, third, we know that dichromate ions act as oxidizing agent in acidic medium, so it oxidizes acidified nitrite into nitrate salt. So chemical reaction is dichromate ion oxidizes acidified nitrites into nitrates. Very important. Sorry, here 4 water molecules. Next, dichromate plus H2S plus proton. So dichromate oxidizes acidified H2S into sulfur. So chemical reaction, balance chemical equation, 3H2S at proton converts into 3 chromium ion, 3S sulfur, 7H2O, water in liquid form, sulfur in solid form, and ions in aqueous solution. So I repeat, in acidic medium, dichromate oxidizes H2S into sulfur. In all these reactions, dichromate ion get reduced in chromium 3 plus, chromium 3 plus, chromium 3 plus, and acts as strong oxidizing agent. It oxidizes Fe2 plus into Fe3 plus, nitrites into nitrates, H2S into sulfur. Very important. 10th question. What is the equivalent mass of potassium dichromate when it acts as oxidizing agent in acidic medium? Answer will be, it acts as strong oxidizing agent in acidic medium. Chemical reaction is dichromate ion in acidic medium take up electrons and acts as strong oxidizing agent. Since equivalent mass of an oxidizing agent is equal to molar mass divided by number of electron gained. During the reaction, dichromate ions take up 6 electrons, therefore number of electrons gained are 6. Molar mass of K2Cr2O7. We know that atomic mass of potassium is 39, so 2 into 39 plus atomic mass of chromium is 52, therefore 2 into 52 plus atomic mass of oxygen is 16, so 7 into 16, finally 294 gram mole inverse. Molar mass of K2Cr2O7 is 294 gram mole inverse, therefore equivalent mass of an oxidizing agent is molar mass 294 divided by number of electron gained, here value 6, therefore resultant value is 49. It means that the equivalent mass of potassium dichromate is 49 when it acts as oxidizing agent in acidic medium. Next and last, what is the effect of heat on potassium dichromate? Answer will be on heating potassium dichromate. On heating potassium dichromate, it decomposes into potassium chromate and chromic oxide. Chemical reaction is I repeat, on heating potassium dichromate, it decomposes into potassium chromate and chromic oxide. Welcome back. Now we take some important MCQs. Question first. In dichromate ion, every chromium is linked to 2 oxygen atoms, 4 oxygen atoms, 3 oxygen atoms, none of the above. Important question. We know that in the structure of dichromate ion, every chromium atom surrounded by 3 oxygen atoms. So answer will be option C. Question second. Potassium dichromate reacts with ammonium chloride in presence of H2SO4. The product formed is option A, chromyl chloride with green vapor, B, chromyl chloride with white vapor, C, chromyl chloride with blue vapor, and D, chromyl chloride with deep red color. Answer will be, we know that in chromyl chloride test, if any chloride salt compound is heated with acidified potassium dichromate, it produces orange red color or deep red color fumes of chromyl chloride. So answer will be option D, chromyl chloride with deep red color. Next, third, oxidation state of chromium in dichromate is +3, +6, +4, none of the above. Answer will be option B plus. Next, fourth question. Acidified potassium dichromate is treated with H2S. In the reaction, the oxidation number of chromium, option A, increases from +3 to +6, B, remains unchanged, D, decreases from +6 to +3, and D, decreases from +6 to +2. Answer will be, we know that when acidified potassium dichromate is treated with H2S, dichromate get reduced in chromium 3+. It means oxidation number of chromium decreases from +6 to +3. So answer will be option C, decreases from +6 to +3. Important question. Next question. Potassium dichromate acts as oxidizing agent in option A, neutral and acidic medium, B, neutral and alkaline medium, C, acidic, alkaline and neutral medium, D, acidic medium only. Very important. Answer will be option D, acidic medium only. Hopefully guys, you have understood about very important questions of potassium.